Hello and welcome to Pop a Question. This is a chill live stream where we're going to chat. That's all we're going to do. I'm going to answer your question. Hopefully, I know how to answer your questions. Let me know if everything's good on your side. We have the chat here, so we can just focus on the chat and yeah. Should be fun. Last time we had a lot of viewers asking a ton of questions. Okay, give me 1 second. All right. Okay, let's see. Hello, my dear friend Ivan, and Joy, and Matthias, Ahmed, Sahash, Bisvajit. I pronounced that right. Say hi in the chat if you're in the live stream. Let's see, where are you from? And I don't know. Just ask questions. Let's see. Joy is the first one. Hello, John and Primnet. D. I call you Mr. D. Okay. I want to see if everything's right before answering Joyce. How can I make more money? How will I spend the money when I make that money? How can I attract more girls? uh, how can I make more money? Work more. Get a job. How would I spend that money? Donating to the live streams. How can I attract more girls? I have no idea. I only have one, and it was due to my charming humor. Probably, I don't know. Hello, Theo from Germany. Nice to see you. Thank you for helping me in the previous live stream. Argentina, Tamil Nadu. Whoa, where is that? That's interesting. Sir, it is right that freelancers are earning less due to. Please don't let me read this. They will demonetize my video. But I'm not sure if freelancers are affected because you can work from home. But I didn't do any research on that side, so I can't really give you a great answer on that side. YouTube seems to work fine. People are watching YouTube more. Now, some YouTubers complained, others said that they get more. Whoa. Ivan, thank you very much for the super chat. First super chat from Ivan. Thank you very much, buddy. I'm honored. I'm very honored. What is your tip for getting a junior developer in core? Don't let me say that. See, that's an interesting question. Because now businesses, I'm not sure if they want more developers, but it really depends. Some businesses might have more work. I'm not sure how the developer community is affected because, as I said, they can work from home. Nevertheless, I would use the time you're home to learn a lot, practice a lot, and be prepared for when this time goes, when everything comes back to normal, to be ready for a job. I think they earn more. Yeah, maybe. You word is not sure what you mean. My website was not submitted. Not yet. We haven't finished the challenge. Only in the seventh day. On the 8th day, we're going to do. How to add class and remove it when hovering. Look into the mouse over JavaScript event listener. How to be motivated while learning something new. Build. Think about something fun to build and build it. This is how I get motivated. Yeah. How old are you and how long have you been coding? 26. close to 26 in 2 months. So 25, and I've been coding for 7 years. Okay, my company is doing better. Nice. Hello, Gulshan. Which one do you think is better in order to get a well-paid job? I'm not a backend developer. I don't know. If you are good, you can get a well-paid job in either of those. So yeah, .NET is probably used a lot by companies. Node is starting to get more and more popular. What do you think of WordPress? I don't like WordPress. It's good for non-developers, but for me as a developer, it just adds a lot of unnecessary code and plugins, and it makes the website slower, so I don't like that. How to add a code editor in website like FreeCodeCamp? I don't know. I never built a code editor on the website. Maybe you can find some library. If you got a job offer for a huge amount of money, will you take it? Will you take it and leave YouTube? No. I had a very good paid job and I left it to do YouTube. Another donation. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the donations. Today was a great day for donations. What do you think are the smartest front-end projects to place on your portfolio? It's not that of the smartest, but it should be built from scratch by you. I mean, it should show different concepts. So you can start building a project from a tutorial or something, but then add more stuff on it and make it bigger, add more functionalities. That could help. It depends from different interviewers. People are different, so not sure who's checking what, but if you have multiple projects showcasing multiple features, multiple skills, that should do it. Thank you. I am fine. I hope you're fine too. I used a lot of courses and tutorials. I love tutorials. I love to create stuff, and I build a lot of things. Not sure if you know, I had 100 projects in 100 days. A lot of small projects I like to build. I get an idea and I build it. This is how I learn, basically. How to fight procrastination. Try to do stuff you like. I'm a huge procrastinator when I don't like the stuff I'm doing. Just find something you like and it will be fine. How do you feed your creativity? Interesting question. I guess I just like to see new stuff, like a design, and when I see a nice design, I just want to implement it in code, or I see an idea and I like to code it. So I don't search for ideas because I have a lot of ideas already written down, but when I see something, I just it gives me motivation to build it. You're not late, we just started. Do you have a day job? No. YouTube is everything I do now, and Twitter and Discord and LinkedIn and Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, I'm on social media and YouTube. Okay, thank you. Why you left job? Because I didn't feel that I'm evolving that much. I didn't feel that my value is how can I say it? So the value I provided, it didn't reach a broader audience. So for example, now you can see I'm talking with 30 people, and what I'm saying and what I'm doing, thank you so much, Ivan. Second donation. You're amazing. So what I'm doing now, it's more impactful. Money is not a value for me, it's not a priority, although I need it to live. But helping others while doing some money, it's great. This is what I want to do. Feel honored. I'm very honored. Thank you, buddy. Okay. The problem I have is when I learn something from a tutorial, I forget things once I am done with the tutorial. You need to code during the tutorial and try to understand, and when you finish the tutorial, go over the code again and try to see if you understand everything. React hook without lifecycle methods. That's an interesting question. Start from React hook without. I'm not that advanced in the React hook section, so I don't know what to say there. If you could work your way through React hook without lifecycle methods. I guess React hook has different ways to handle lifecycle methods. So yeah. Hello, FIFA. You're a great English speaker. It's easy to understand what you're talking. Really? I'm not an English native English speaker, so that means a lot saying that. Where can I find the shortcut keys that you do with HTML, CSS? Look into ep.io, and you can find there. Hey bro, hi. Can you please explain to me how to make this work? I'm not sure what you mean. How to make what work? Do you have any advice to find internship, like a roadmap or something like this? Well, make sure you're prepared. You have a portfolio, and you have some projects in it, and then start applying. There are a lot of places to apply. Find of Google, just write internship, and I guess internship jobs, or there are a lot of places, and apply on as many places as you can. You'll probably get an interview, you'll probably fail, and that's fine. As long as you keep going, keep learning, you'll eventually get a good job. Are you going to do similar React challenges as you're doing front-end mentors? That's a good idea. If we find some designs and find some ideas that work with that, yeah, sure. No, I like Romania, and I will stay here. Probably visit other countries, but yeah. I got used to be in Romania, so this is my home. Are you still taking freelance projects? No. I might have... I might need to take a few to supplement my income, because YouTube is not paying that well yet. But for now, I'm trying to do more YouTube and grow, and eventually I'm not... I don't need to do that. Did you get those icons? Thing okay. You just explained how to get that, but not how to make the icons. The icons are from Front Awesome library. You just need to use the classes. Do you teach F to online personnel? If yes, how much per hour? So one-on-one, F to F. Not sure what that means. How about converting into React? That's interesting. We could do that. If you were an interviewer, will you take a guy with tons of small projects or a guy with 2 super huge projects? That's a good question. Probably bigger projects are like they cover a broader spectrum, but I'm a small projects guy. I have a ton of small projects, and I got a lot of jobs. Well, the less jobs I applied, I got them, so it works. Oh, face to face. Yeah, I do. Hit me up in DM, an email or something, and we can discuss about that. How long ago have you started with websites? 7 years ago, in 2013. Font Awesome is pretty great. Yeah, it is. It's nice. What computer do you use to make your videos? Great work. Thank you. I have an iMac, a pretty old iMac. I should change it. Sometimes. Sometimes it crashes, which is not that good. Hey Sean, welcome. Are you using Streamlabs OBS? It's not for Mac, but I have Streamlabs. They have this Streamlabs. They have the website application, I think. Let's see. It's getting my first freelance gig really hard. Uh, yeah, it's not easy. Oh, I don't know why you don't see code pen links. Oh, okay, yeah, you can paste links. Join the Discord and we can talk there. Someone else can help you. Yeah, they had the web app. The application it doesn't work on Mac. Yeah, you can place links. Do you prefer Brave? Oh yeah, I got used to. I'm setting up OBS Studio and it does take a bit of work. Yeah, it does. Check out YouTube videos. There are a lot of it on it, and you can find. And you need to tune your sound, and it's not perfect for me either yet. So, streaming settings for OBS. I think. Well, I guess this is the output, and video is full HD, and not sure what else. It's not the sound is really the buggy one. You need dependent on your voice and your microphone. Okay, so for beginners like us, it is difficult to find designs, and we don't have the knowledge to get the challenges with growing complexities as there are with front-end mentors. It would be great if working engineers like you and people with experience make a list. You can go on Dribble and find more simpler designs. If you go on Dribble on, let's see, my friend Ildi has pretty simple designs like this. Look, this is a simple design you can implement. We have a header, a text, a form, and the next. So this is a nice model. Very beautiful, by the way. How long did it take to have a first project on Fiverr? I don't know. I wasn't on Fiverr. Hello, Mahapatra. Hope I pronounced your name right. I like more solo because I want to be I want to know everything what's happening, but I also work in teams. What do I need to learn to integrate third-party payment and CMS software on my website? Interesting. I think you can look into Stripe. I'm not a backend guy. I haven't done something like this before, so maybe look into Stripe. PayPal might have something. I don't know exactly, but check that out. Google is your best friend. Doesn't it bother you the strict ad and tracker block Brave? I had to switch because there were a lot of websites that didn't work correctly. I didn't find anything about that. So, works fine for me. But don't use it on my videos. Thank you, Ivan, for the link. Any tips on passive income? Ooh, there are a lot of things you can do passive income. Write a blog, write an ebook, create a course. I guess I should do all these, but I'm not. I don't do that. Yeah, passive income. Invest in the stock market. In the future, do you plan to apply for a job in tech companies, or will you focus just on YouTube? I want to do YouTube and maybe my own company with courses and products. That will be fun. How to become a full stack developer. I'm following FreeCodeCamp, have completed initial courses. Finish the FreeCodeCamp and you will get a sense of what is to be a full stack developer, and then just go deeper in those knowledge. Just watching the advert with the volume up so you get paid. Thank you, Steven. You're awesome. Do you have a plan to make a video about algorithms? About that, I found something amazing yesterday. So just amazing. It was on GitHub algorithms JavaScript, something like that. It was so amazing. I'm not sure if I find it again. Yeah, this one. So this is JavaScript algorithms and data structures, and they have all of these. I will learn this and I will try to make tutorials on this. That will be fun. Okay, if I am building a website using Next.js, okay, and it has a lot of images, what's the best way to store images? If you're building it with Gatsby, if you have a static website, you can host them on GitHub, which will work. Other than that, I don't know. I was searching for a way to store images in case I need it. Probably all these have methods. I need to check. I'm not sure. When you started, how long did it take you to complete the launch first project? Oh boy. Keep in mind that were small projects. I had some freelance clients. They wanted me to do designs to HTML, CSS. That's why I'm so good, I guess, on it, because they wanted me to do those. And the projects were pretty small, so it didn't take a lot of time, but yeah, a couple of months probably. I don't know. I haven't written the times down, so. How important is DS Algo for web developers? It's not that important because you won't use it on your day job. But unfortunately, interviewers will ask you a couple of questions probably on this topic, so you need to have a rough idea at least. Yeah, it's I have mixed feelings about it. So you won't use it. I never used, like, I don't know, a search algorithm. Like, let's see here, bit manipulation or factorial. I haven't used them in the job. I use them to solve code wars challenges. Oh, since you're a CS graduate, what other programming language do you know? I know Java. Well, these are from my college, but I haven't used them since. So I have a rough idea about C, Java, Python, PHP. Yeah. Any online certification recommend? Code Camp. They give you certifications. When you start learning CSS, have you got problems with motivation? Not really, because I really like CSS. I have problems learning stuff I don't like. Programming I usually like, so that's not a motivation problem for me. Send the link, okay? Okay. Can you please share the... Okay. Yeah, thank you. Steven is indeed a nice guy. Netlify GitHub page allows working with local storage. I don't see why not. Remote jobs or freelancing. I don't know something exactly, but I think there are a lot of opportunities. Just need to find. There are a lot of websites. Just Google and you'll find positions. Create a LinkedIn account and make it beautiful, and people will start contacting you for jobs. I heard you to pay very less to channels and take big cut. What are other options to monetize? Yeah, that's true. Create a course, write an ebook, create some projects which give you some money. That's what I want to do. But I'm so I'm so addictive to making YouTube videos and live streams. I don't know when I can focus to do the others. What other languages would you suggest for someone whose first language is JavaScript and doesn't have a CS degree? Python? Other than that, you can go with JavaScript. You have front end, back end, everything. So, yeah. This is false. Do you know Brad from Traversy? Yes. I know him. Hope I'm not spamming, but this is limited time right now. He's giving away. We don't get the link. Sorry. Goody. Thank you, Steven. Another donation. Thank you very much, buddy. Uh, that's that's so nice of you. Uh, I don't know what to say. This is the second donation of you. Thank you very much. I I like seeing people help me to support my work. And I will do something special for you in the future. I'm planning something. I need to think more about it, but I will have a donation jar, as I said in the previous live stream, where I'm going to put all your names. You helped me loads. This is what I want to hear. I'm a broke student. I will surely give you back when I get the job. Thank you very much. Means a lot. Alright. Good. 27 minutes of me talking. I hope this is this is of good use for you. Developers' world is growing very diversely. People expect HTML, CSS, JS frameworks, Jenkins, blah blah. What do you suggest to focus on if I'm primarily JavaScript developer? Focus on learning JavaScript well, and then start looking into Node, maybe for the backend. Learn a couple. Well, you can learn React or Vue to make your work easier, faster, and don't worry about all of Jenkins and all of this stuff. You can learn it on the job fast. Not really. We need a stream to help students be unbroke. How will that be? I did some mobile applications, but just for fun, nothing serious. Do you advise someone going to a bootcamp? I never went to a bootcamp. It might be helpful depending on the bootcamp. I've heard some people like them. I've heard someone say they are just too expensive and not worth it. So I can't speak from experience, and people have mixed feelings. So not sure. If you are focused, if you really want to succeed, I think you can find all the resources you want online. Maybe buy a couple of courses with a couple of dollars, well, $10, $20, $30, which will help you. This is what I did. I never attended the bootcamp. I learned CSS, JavaScript, HTML, React, Node, and everything on my own from courses. Yeah. But the good part with boot camps is that basically because you're paying, you are somehow, how do you say that? You are somehow forced to focus and learn, right? Because you gave the money. But if you have discipline, you can learn it on your own. This is my opinion. Maybe, I don't know, not sure what they can provide you at bootcamp. They might provide you with recommendations, which could be good. You can you can meet other people, and that's also good. But yeah, exactly, structure. So a bootcamp provides structure, but again, courses have structure, so you can learn from courses, and you can go on FreeCodeCamp, which has an interesting structure. It's not in-depth. You will definitely need to learn more on top of what you learn on FreeCodeCamp, but you have a structure. You have a community on FreeCodeCamp. Join our Discord. There is a small community, growing community. Yeah, so it might take, or it's not that focused and structured in a couple of weeks, but still, you can do it on your own, definitely. All right. There, Front-End Master versus FreeCodeCamp. There are two different platforms. FreeCodeCamp learns teaches you how to use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and front-end masters. Uh, on front-end master, you are required to use the skills you're learning on FreeCodeCamp. So they are nothing competitors. How I see them is you first learn on FreeCodeCamp and then go on front-end masters and apply the skills. Also on FreeCodeCamp you have projects to build, so that's good too. How much JavaScript is good for React? I have been working with JavaScript for 3 months and I'm still not sure if I should try React now. Oof. Sorry. It really depends how comfortable you are with JS, but you can try React. If you have 3 months with JS, now depends on how much you work in those three months. Did you work every day or did you work once a week? Yeah. And what have you built in those 3 months? Have you worked with the DOM? Do you understand the DOM? Have you worked with array methods? Yeah. The story of front-end mentor. Matt founder taught at front-end bootcamp and the students asked for more homework, so he created front-end masters. Yep. I chat with Matt too. So yeah, that's the true story. I can I can confirm it's a true story. Be honest. Honest about what? Yeah, Gulshan, that's right. JavaScript is so broad. The more you learn, the more you feel that there's more to learn. And that's with everything in life. The more you learn, you see how little you know actually. So keep learning. Build projects, have something to show, and be fine. Please start live stream and tutorials on that. Not sure. Joshua said something. Not sure. Goody. Okay. Not sure on which you want, but honest that you can't do much in 3 months. You can do much. You can learn the basics though. Really depends on your focusness. Is that the word? So yeah, you can do much, but you can do basics very well. I am already building APIs with Node. That's nice. Very good. I finished learning basic JavaScript, including OK. I want to practice, but I am very confused. What should I do now? Build projects. Go to github.com Florin pops 17 and app ideas. Okay. And here you can find 80 plus ideas for applications. Do them with React or with do them with JavaScript and then convert them on React. Okay, gotcha. If you have only been learning 3 months, then keep learning JavaScript. You still have loads to learn. Yes, that's true, but you can slowly go to React after 3 months of JavaScript, probably. I don't know what you learn in 3 months, but you can switch and then learn React and JavaScript on the same time, you know? I tweeted a question yesterday in your post. Not sure what. About the mouse up and mouse down thing. Can you tell us again? I don't know. I got a ton of tweets. Yes, it is. I am yet to meet someone who can say that he had mastered JavaScript. A few people know that. I can only say that Kyle Simpson knows JavaScript well. I'm not sure if he says that he's a master. What are the most important concepts in JS in your opinion? Oh boy, that's a hard question. How important is JS? Depends on what you do. If you are on the web, not that important, but it might be important in other programming languages. So what are the important concepts? Oh boy. I think the answer to that question is broad, so yeah. too much to me for me to go for it. As I learned, do you feel one should learn CSS in depth or just learn other frameworks like Bootstrap? What I did is I learned Bootstrap and then I started going CSS in depth and I understood Bootstrap. I can write my own Bootstrap if I want now. So yeah. Okay, so important concepts in JavaScript. Know your array methods, know your DOM manipulation, know how to use async await, how to call an API and get data from an API, how to store data. Yeah, so that's a very broad spectrum. How important are soft skills? They're important. Depends on which one do you mean. Competitive coding if you're in the web. Nah, not really. That's for fun, I think. So I use the function mouse down event and again in mouse up, but the mouse down function only runs once. Interesting. I need to see the code. Any resources to get free templates for frontend? Yes, frontend mentor. What are your thoughts on the recent crisis and its effect on web developer jobs? I don't know because I haven't searched for jobs. I've seen a lot of people getting fired. I also seen companies succeed and they needed more developers, so depends. I can post. Go on Discord. Go on Discord and you can post the code there. Can you share your resume? I don't have one. My resume is my website, my LinkedIn, my Twitter, my YouTube, my Instagram. That's my resume. You have me pretty much online. My CodePen, my GitHub, my FreeCode Camp. You have so many stuff these days where you can showcase your work that having a resume is not sure. It's for me. It's just a no. Which one? Sorry. Ivan, can you give us a link to the GitHub, please? To the Discord. I don't have it now. Any plans for podcast? I need someone to do podcasts with. Maybe then. But for now, I'm very busy with YouTube and Twitter and Discord. So I'm not sure if I need to slow down maybe a bit, create a course to have a stable income, then plan out some videos, maybe not that many videos on YouTube, and then if I have more time I will do. Thank you, Ivan. Yeah, I'm not the best developer. I just did it for a long time and it seems that I'm good, but I have so many things to learn still. The part with the thing with programming is that you will need to learn continuously. There is not a level when you know it and then you're done, because programming is an evolving topic, technology, not sure how to call it, but a subject. Programming is an evolving subject. You always have new things to learn, and if you don't like learning, then I'm kind of sorry for you. You need to find joy in learning. I love learning. I love to see how to learn new stuff and build new stuff, and that's good in this regard because I can keep up with the technology more or less. Yeah. Look at this. Thank you, Steven. Hosting closure, yeah. You don't really need this to know this in incurring partials. Yeah. You don't need to know all of these to start with React though. Neither these, but yeah, it's good to know. uh, After mastering a language and doing a lot of project, what do you do next? do more projects. One, I'm not sure someone can master a language. You really need to focus on that language, like Kyle Simpson does on JavaScript. But then you teach others probably, or I don't know, build big projects, or you can do whatever you want. It's not a something. Yeah, sales and marketing. Yeah, good. I would say learn them, as it will make React a lot easier. Yeah, if you can write hello world in JavaScript, you're ready for React. Yeah, that's not quite right, but yeah. uh, you still don't need to know all of these to learn. I still don't know exactly. I need to look up these to to see how they work, and I'm pretty decent with React. The call stack, you need, yeah. These are topics that once you go over it, it makes it pretty clear, so you don't need to worry much. Yes, this is a good way to learn. If you're teaching others, you learn it so good that it will stick. It will stick with you. No, I'm getting tired. So it will stay in your brain. I guess. I just finished my front end VD. Shall I go with backend or data structure first? Uh, Data structure is a bonus one. You can go with, if you mean D3, yeah. You can go with backend if you want. I did a data structure because it was next in line, but feel free to go with backend. The concepts help. Yeah, they do. How are you so productive every day? Mind walking us through your daily schedule? Can you believe it that I don't have a schedule? The live streams are the only thing scheduled in my day. Other than that, I just go with the flow. I'm not an organized person. I'm working on that. Thank God that I have the live streams and I do something productive in them. Otherwise, I'm yeah. Uh, okay. Hello, Eric. Welcome. Okay. Which one first? Do React. Do backend. What shampoo do you use? That hair look nice. I think Head and Shoulders. My wife bought me some shampoo for men, so that's what I use. Hello, Hayden. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for checking it out. Okay. Good. Do you like these pop-up question streams? I think someday people will know all my answers and they will not they will not come anymore to these streams. Or maybe uh maybe more other people will join. Who knows? How do you know Brad? We worked on something together. How did you learn to code? Did you read a whole book or a whole course? Uh, I I jumped through a lot of courses, a lot of tutorials. I'm not a book kind of guy. I like reading on personal development and business, but not on coding. I don't like coding books that much. Mm, but I use YouTube courses, YouTube tutorials and courses on Udemy. I have a ton of them. And I just did those. Keep the pop-up question going. Okay, then we can do one every Sunday. If you was hiring people in your future company, will you get a full stack or front end and back end? It depends on if I need double power or a person can do it. How to earn money while learning to code? Do it on your job. Get hired and they will pay you to learn. Favorite business books, others. Oh boy, I have so many. Don't have a favorite though. The truth about learning to code. If you really love it, you will learn it. If you don't have the passion, then you will give up before learning it. Yep, that's what I say always. Yay! Language you want to learn except JS. Python, I want to get into Python. Thank you, Gulshan, for joining. 6 months or a year from now, this channel is going to hit big numbers and this kind of interaction will be a dream for us. Do you think so? I'm not sure. Yeah, it might, but I'm not sure. My goal is 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but who knows? I'm weak at algorithms. How do I improve on this? Go on Code Wars and do a lot of challenges there. I posted a link above. You can watch. You can go through this and you'll learn more. What do you think is a good project to have in your portfolio to get a job as a front-end developer? I think you should have multiple projects. Do projects which inspire you, which motivate you, add features, and improve on them. It's not, there isn't one project. There you can do multiple projects and showcase different skills and different features. Yep. That's true. Where is the orange lemonade? Ask my wife. She doesn't make me anymore. I'm sad. I'll cry. But I have water though. Good night. Thank you, Mahapatra. Piyush. Not sure if I pronounce your name right. Is freelancing harder than getting a job? Yeah, it might be harder now. When I started in 2013, the competition was pretty high. Bye bye, you're leaving. Oh, I think I will close in 10 minutes or so. Tell her to get the orange lemonade, bud. Yeah, I will. So freelancing was hard for me to start, but I think the competition is even bigger now. So yeah, you need to go outside the usual freelancer.com, Upwork. You need to find out people from somewhere else. When you were learning to code, how many hours per day were you spending coding on average? Thank you, Ivan. Sure, Dev Shut. So how many hours? I don't know to say. I don't remember, but I do remember I liked it. And when I got some ideas, I worked hours and hours. I didn't have a schedule. I just did how I think of. For me, programming is like playing a video game. Do you keep track of how many hours do you play? Nah, you just play. Programming is for me is something like that. So if you need some hours, maybe do 1 hour a day every day. Be consistent if you want to have some kind of structure. But yeah, depends on how much you can learn in an hour. It's it's not a it's not a perfect science. It's so random. You flow Discord link again? Huh, okay. Thank you. I'm working on a project. We are developing a web app like Uber. Okay. You can join the Discord, our Discord, and you can find other communities too, and find people, bond with them, be active, and you can learn with other people. Which technologies? Oh man, for a Uber app, web app like Uber. I guess React could work, Vue could work, all the front end libraries could work. It depends what your team knows. I'm not a project manager, but yeah, You can do it even in vanilla JavaScript if you are good at it. I mean, okay, 10 more minutes. Uber uses React. Yeah. What are the projects you made that you're proud of? Uh, Good question. I made a ton of small projects, and I'm usually always chasing something new. So I can't say when I finish something I'm proud of, but then I'm looking for my next challenge. So the stuff I was proud of before, I'm not that proud anymore. So yeah, we are just students. Uh, okay. Yeah, this is so broad question. I am not sure. We're just learning. Learn React, I guess. Good work. Yeah, Ishan is right. How do we make a music app in React? Uh, that's a good question. I want to do more tutorials on music on the audio API. It's more of a knowing how to work with the audio API than React thing. Dev meta. If you're asking that question, then there are other things you need to worry about. You guys don't have you only have an idea, but mm, in which city do you live? I live near Tirgumoresh. Where do you live, Daniel? What are some audio APIs? You have the web audio API, which is in the browser. The web audio API, high-level JavaScript API for processing and synthesizing audio on the web applications. Cluj, nice. So we're close. I'm in Regin, 100 kilometers away. We wanted to move in Cluj, but my wife is a resident in Tirgumoresh, so we're staying around for a couple of years. Do I need real projects to start freelancing? Uh, you need a couple of projects to showcase your clients, definitely. Otherwise, how can you? You need to stand apart. How will you stay apart if you don't have a project? Can you show how to find APIs? You need to be specific. What kind of APIs? You're proud that I pronounced my name correctly. Yeah, I don't do that often. My language is weird. Well, my pronunciation at least. Any plans to move in Germany? I have my father in Germany, my step parents. Not step parents, my in-laws in Germany. So no, I stay here. Yep. Say you were looking for API, how would you go about it? Mm, hmm. Give me another. I mean, this is so broad again. Be more specific. An API for you can pick the API, but not one you already know. Hmm. Yeah, that's true. Although they're coming home. Brian, you're funny. But that's what I said. Where can I find AI with JavaScript? Oh boy, that's a nice topic. I think Daniel Schiffman on the Coding Train challenge has something with what's that thing? Uh, with TensorFlow. Yes, you can you can look into that. I am planning to learn more AI stuff and with JavaScript, so TensorFlow JS, but yeah, it's a complicated topic. I could learn it, but I'm not sure how well I could explain it. So Steven, API. If you're finding with API, usually when you have a project, you already get the API. For example, if you want to work with the audio API, well, you know that you have one in the browser. If you want to work with a payment API, you get that. So do you think it's important to do JavaScript every day? For example, when you start a new project, there's a lot of HTML, CSS. No. You can do HTML, CSS if the project requires it, but yeah, it depends on what you want to do. You want to do more JavaScript, HTML in the future, or want to do JS? Undocumented API in website, how to find it? That's a good question. Just email the uh, email the developers and tell them to give you documentation. Thank you, Dev. I just found a GitHub page yesterday, contains a lot of it. Yeah. There is this public APIs. This GitHub repository, which has a ton of APIs. You can look into this, definitely. I can't believe I'm talking with you. Come on, I'm just a regular guy. Don't say that. Please cover the important features of a complete project. That's so broad. You need to be a bit more specific. 450 new subscribers today. It was a huge day today. Can you put it in the research section? Let me copy this and put it here. You can get it here. Architecture. Oh, that's hard. I haven't reached the level of an architecture for a project. That's even beyond senior developer, and I don't think myself I was a senior developer though. I had a guy in the team when I worked at. Where are you working, Daniel? Which company? Around Florin, lol. I had a team when working for the company. In the team, we had a guy. He did the act. Oh, you're 16. Okay. We had the guy. He did the architecture of the project. A huge project, 5 years worth of work, and he did it. It's super difficult. Yeah. I started at 18, 19, around that. Ahmed, your link is different than mine. You have another resource? I don't get your link. You can post links here. I'm curious to see if Streamlabs has something with a donation goal. Whoa. I could set up this. Set goal. Let me do this. I want to set a goal for something. I don't know. Hire a designer. I want. Okay, start amount 0. Yeah, okay. 300. I think it was $400. And after, I guess, until mid April, month 04 15 2020, our goal. And copy this. Let me try it. If this works, I could do something like this in the future. Now that we have a chill stream. Whoa, look at that. I think it appeared on your screen. Hire a designer. Nice. 16 days to go. Okay. Good to know. Streamlabs offer this. What other widgets we have? Event list. chat box, okay. Subscriber goal, the jar. The jar, whoa, this looks nice. I need to check this out. How does it look? Because I want to do something like this. Check the stream boss widget. Stream boss? Stream boss. Give your viewers the opportunity to become a boss in your channel by interacting with the stream. What? What's that? Let your viewers seize the opportunity of becoming a boss in your channel by interacting with the stream. Works with tips, followers, subscriptions, cheers. I think this is more of a Twitch side thing. Any prediction for 2 years in web development arena? Whoa. I'm not Nostradamus. I don't know. Anyone wanting to put any sort of chart into their JS, use chart.js. Yep. Good. More of a front-end developer. So what's this? Oh boy. What did I do? I need to make my streams nicer. I guess. We could have a goal or something. I need a designer for a redesign of my blog, but yeah. When will the 7-day challenge end? On Tuesday? Today was the 5th day, so Monday, yeah, Tuesday. How do you improve competitive programming? Do a lot of code wars, hacker rank. How was that website? What code wars? Do a lot of coding challenges. Okay, let's see something else. Tip ticker. Show off your most recent. Oh, this is nice. I somehow want to end credits. Set up a rolling credit to show our supporters. I want to have the donators, top donators, stuff like that. How can I do that? Sponsor ban, edit, add, remove. Sponsor logos on streamer channel. Oh, sponsor. Okay, now set a donation goal for your viewers to help you reach. Take care, Lion. Don't stream. Uh, don't drive while you watch. Streamboss works on YouTube too. There is like a goal of $50, for example. If you hit the goal, the person that hit the goal becomes Streams boss. Really? Wow, that's nice. I feel all coding challenges are tough. How to improve on them? Start with the easy ones and then go upwards. Yep, I do. Yep. Really, that's nice. I can set up a stream boss. The stream boss, yeah. Exactly, get off your stream. There are so many things to do. I need, I guess, some nice designs. Set a goal for viewers to help you reach below. I will look through this and set up some more fun stuff for the stream. And what does the boss do? Do they have some special power or something? What's your bigger project yet? One of the one of the big projects I did is my blog, and I worked on a project with my team when I was hired, which was a 5-year project. So probably that. Your stream is nice enough. Thank you, Andrei. So it's nice enough and doesn't need anything else, or what do you mean? Spin wheel. Spin the wheel, win fabulous prizes. Whoa, really? This looks fun. All of you stay home. Yep. Nope. I saw so many projects on this topic that I'm tired of it. T-shirt, mousepad, water bottle. Whoa. Event list. I think this one is also nice. Oh, look at that. Ivan, you popped up here. Donations, members, super chat, merch. Oh, nice. So there are a few things we can do on Streamlabs, which will be fun. I have alert box. Uh, hmm. Yeah, let me remove this. Oh. All right, take care, Steven. I'm also going to make a dinner and watch some. You know what? I mean that the content is beautiful, not as information, and in this case, aesthetics are just a bonus. Oh, okay, thank you. All right, guys. Uh, yes, I am on Instagram. Search Florin Pop and you can find me. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for being part of this. Thank you for the donations. Best stream ever. Really? Thank you very much for the donation, Ivan. Thank you for the donation, Steven. Thank you, Brian, for the nice message. Yeah, I'm doing my best. Take care, everyone. Hello, Dahuri, and goodbye. we are leaving. And join our Discord. I'm glad to hear that. Join our Discord and we can chat more there. We have a nice community. We want to grow, and yeah. See you tomorrow in tomorrow's live stream. We're going to build another project. Okay. Take care, and how is life? Life is good. How is your life? Thank you, Sandamini, for joining. Sakunika. Such an interesting name. Chiare frumoasă. La fel și ție. Learn and grow. Exactly. Love from India. Thank you. Right. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to eat something and we can chat more tomorrow. Seară bun, Alexandru. Hope you're catching up the stream for tomorrow. I will going live every day, and if I'm not live, then then you can find the clip or something. So yeah, check in every day. If there's apocalypse, good luck. Good luck to all. Love from Hungary. Yeah, I'm hungry. All right. Bye, 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 bye. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.